If your baby is somewhere between 4 and 6 months, you may be wondering how to start solids safely. Hi, I'm Dr. Anita Patel, board certified pediatrician and pediatric critical care doctor and medical advisor with Fem Health. And we're going to talk about what you should look for before starting solids and how to safely advance more complex foods for your baby. Firstly, you should only start solids when your child can sit unsupported. For many children, they meet this milestone around 6 months when they have good head control. Other milestones, according to the CDC and American Academy of Pediatrics, that indicate your child is ready for solid foods include that they're able to control head and neck, they should open their mouth when food is offered, they should swallow food rather than push it back out onto their chin, they should bring objects to their mouth, they should try to grasp small objects such as toys or food, and also they should transfer food from the front to the back of their tongue to swallow. Once you start introducing solids, let your child try one single ingredient food at a time at first. This helps you see if your child has food allergies. Wait 3 to 5 days between each new food. That way, you can safely identify any potential food allergies early and can be sure it is related to that specific food. We also recommend introducing common allergens early. This includes cow's milk products, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soy, and sesame. At first, it's easier for your child to eat foods that are mashed, pureed, or strained and very smooth in texture. It can take time for your child to adjust to new food textures. Your child might cough, gag, or spit up. This is completely normal. As your baby's oral skills develop, thicker and lumpier foods can be introduced. Some tips to make this transition easier and most importantly safe include mixing cereals and grains with breast milk, formula, or water to make it smooth and easy. Plus, your child is used to the taste of breast milk or formula, which further helps this transition. I did this with my daughter early on, and I'm now doing it with my 6-month-old. You can mash and puree vegetables and other foods. Hard fruits and vegetables like apples and carrots usually need to be cooked so they can be easily mashed or pureed. Cook food until it's soft enough to easily mash with a fork. Remove all fat and skin and bones from any poultry, meat, fish before cooking. Remove seeds and hard pits from fruit and then cut the fruit into small pieces lengthwise. Cut soft food into small pieces or thin slices and cut cylindrical food like hot dog, sausage, and string cheese into short, thin strips instead of round pieces because round pieces are a major choking hazard. As always, I hope you all found this helpful and interesting. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe below. The doctors at Fem Health are here for you and your family.